What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video we will be discussing about the True Beauty Glow and is it legitimate or fake. So before getting into the video, make sure that you hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. So let's dive right into the video. So is True Beauty Glow is a legitimate product or is it been some sort of a scam? So let's dive right into it. So first thing first, that I have came to notice that this product is actually not a real product. It is basically a product that is taken from Chinese. So the real product is intense pulse. So basically this is an intense pulsed light wrinkles reducing instrument that has been labeled as True Beauty Glow. Basically it is from imported from China. So it is actually a legitimate product from the China, but it is not a True Beauty Glow, and it's not a separate product that has been assembled in America or US, but it is all imported all the way from China, and they are labeling as a True Beauty Glow product. Otherwise, the product works fine. So it just said that a person has just bought it and said that just reviewed mine in the mail and went straight to the Reddit for the real reviews. Maybe you should have done it before purchase. It was an impulse buy. Took like 3 weeks to deliver, but it's cool looking. Shiny black with a little green display, but 7 different LED lights seems a little hooky. I don't know, I will come back after a couple of weeks of using it. So people have been very curious about like what is the review after using it for a couple of months. So the person said that honestly I can see a difference in my complexion. It looks more even and smooth, but is it because I'm using some new serums along with the Beauty Glow? I don't know about it. As for the lymphatic drainage, I don't think it's been long enough yet to really tell, but that's not keeping me from using it daily. I guess it's not the worst impulse buy I have ever made. So you guys can check it out and you can buy it. But it's from an impulse buy. You can get it cheaper from Alibaba or any other uh source website that source products from the China other than buying it from the skincare. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful.